Hello guys, this is CI Tech and this is the Visual Studio Code. First Google search Visual Studio Code and go to the website of Visual Studio Code, code editing refining, loading. After go to the website, code editing defined and Visual Studio Code. Go to down Windows and Mac and install the this different types of Windows and Mac also. Visual Studio Code have using the Python and JavaScript and TypeScript and C++, JSON, HTML, CSS and C Sharp also. Go to up, yeah, go to up and code editing refound. Download the Windows for Visual Studio Code. Go to Windows into 64 user install and stable, yeah, go loading and this is the documentation of Visual Studio Code. Get start how to start the Visual Studio Code and uh, user guide and languages Node.js and JavaScript. Yeah, downloading the Visual Studio Code and TypeScript and Python and Java, C Sharp, data science, Azure. There are extents of Visual Studio Code. It is used to code to editing the Visual Studio Code. Downloading still and different types of coding languages used in the Visual Studio Code. Overall, uh, there are using the extension and APIs and Git also to push the directly in Visual Studio Code to GitHub. Using many software developers use in Visual Studio Code only and still downloading. This is the documentation of Visual Studio Code. Anyone doubts can see the documentation of Visual Studio Code. Okay, fine. Downloading still. So many time taken to the downloading. Yeah. Get Visual Studio Code is a lightweight but powerful source code editor which runs on the desktop and available of Windows, Mac OS and Linux also. It is built of supporting of JavaScript, TypeScript and Node.js and has extension of other languages also, C++ and Java, Python, PHP, Git and .NET used in the Visual Studio Code only. Yeah, still downloading. Yeah, downloading. Yeah, so many languages also used in the Visual Studio Code only. Twice. Yeah, download completed. Open. Minimize the Visual Studio Code. Loading. Still loading. Okay, open. I accept to the agreement. Next. Browser to location of the document in its next and create a desktop icon. Next, installing the process in location C drive. Install all files in C drive. Still installing. Still installing. Extracting all files in C drive. Yeah, completed. Completed. Like finish. Yeah, open the icon of the desktop in Visual Studio Code. Yeah, open. Get started with the Visual Studio Code. Like open to the documentation also. Any doubts, you can go to the documents. Okay, there are light, dark and high content. Light. Okay, fine. This is the Visual Studio Code. Thank you for watching.